Looking for a quick, nutritious, and delicious breakfast? Try this oatmeal omelette. It's packed with protein, takes only 5 minutes to make, and will keep you energized all day. Let's get started. For this omelette, you will need 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of rolled oats, a bit of milk, salt, pepper, and butter for frying. You can also add cheese, greens, or veggies for extra flavor. Whisk the eggs with milk, then add oats, salt, and pepper. Let it sit for a couple of minutes. This helps the oats soften and makes the omelette extra fluffy. Heat a pan and grease it with a little butter or oil. Pour in the mixture and cook on low heat for about 3-4 minutes. Once the edges start to set, you can either flip it or cover with a lid. Add grated cheese, fresh greens, or veggies, and in just 1 minute your omelette is ready. Look at that texture. And there you have it, a simple, delicious, and healthy breakfast. Try it out and let me know in the comments what toppings you love.